everybody, I am so excited to get started on this pronunciation training series, and in this first episode we are going to focus on vowel sounds. Now you may already know that there are 5 vowel alphabets, which are A, E, I, O, and U, and sometimes Y is considered a vowel as well. But did you know that there are 20 different vowel sounds in English? That's right, there are 20 different vowel sounds, and it's very important to remember or to familiarize yourself with all these different vowel sounds. But not to worry, because today we are going to go over all of them and look at some example of words with these sounds. And stay until the end of the video to check out an exercise to test your understanding of these vowel sounds. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Anika, I'm an English teacher, and if you enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this every Saturday. Now, let's get started. To begin with, let's talk a little bit about the difference between pronunciation and accent. Now, pronunciation is a standard way or a correct way of saying words. Accents, on the other hand, are different variations of those standard pronunciations. Accents are influenced by the place where a person is from, the region or nation a person is from, or it can be influenced by your native language. For example, if someone's native language is German or Chinese or French, they will have different accents. Now, I just want to highlight the fact that it's perfectly fine to have an accent. In fact, accents are considered pleasant in some cases. So don't feel bad if you have your own accent. But what I would encourage you to do is to be very careful about your pronunciation, because there is a right and wrong pronunciation, but not a right and wrong accent. While trying to improve your pronunciation, it's very important to keep in mind that English is very differently written to how it is pronounced. So when you come across a new word and not sure how to pronounce it, I would highly encourage you not to think about the spelling. Ignore the spelling, at least until you know that you've got the pronunciation right. So after you have repeated the word several times and memorized the pronunciation, only then have a look at the spelling and memorize the spelling. There are 2 types of vowel sounds. You have the monophthongs and the diphthongs. Monophthongs are vowel sounds that we produce without changing the position of our tongue. The monophthongs can be either long vowels or short vowels. Let's look at the first one. This is an E long vowel sound. Words with E sounds are meet, feet, and eat. This is a short I sound. Words with I are fit, hit, sit, or clip. Be careful about the difference between E and I. They're actually quite different. For example, the word cheap is very different from chips. This is a sheep. This is a ship. Be careful about the next one. This is a beach and a bitch. Oops, that's a very bad word. Also be very careful about the next one. Sheet, like a sheet of paper. And then you have shit. Oops, that's another root word. The next one is an oo sound. It's a long vowel. Words with an oo sound are who, through, or clue. This is an oo. It's a short oo vowel. Words with an oo sound are look, good, should. You have oo and oo. See the difference? For example, the word food is very different from foot. The next one is a long vowel. it has an sound. Words with are her, word, bird. The next one is a very short This is actually one of the most common sounds in English language, so it's very important to get it right. Words with this sound are mother, polite, about. We call the short the schwa sound. Then we have the sound. Words with are far, park, car. Is a long vowel. On the other hand, is a short vowel. Words with sounds are cup, some, duck. See the difference? Then we have the short vowel a. Words with a sound are hat, cat, fan. Then we have the short vowel e. Words with e are left, pen, said. The next one is pronounced o. Words with o are more, door, floor. And lastly, we have the short vowel o. Words with the o sound are hot, not, what. Now let's talk about diphthongs. Diphthongs are basically combinations of two monophthongs. This is when we change the position of our tongue to produce these sounds. There are 8 diphthongs. The first one is pronounced ia. It's a combination of I and a. Examples of ia are in year, near, really. Then we have an ua sound. Words with ua sound are hour, power. Then we have the ea sound. Words with ea are there, hair, fair. Next we have the a sound. Words with a are they, make, say. Then we have the oi sound. Words with oi are boy, point, oil. Then we have the I sound. Words with I are I, buy, or time. Then we have the O sound. Examples are go, no, only. And finally, we have the ow sound. Words with ow are house, out, and down. Now it's time for us to practice. I'm going to give you some groups of words, some groups of 4 words each, and 3 of these words will have the same vowel sounds, and one of them will be an exception. One of them will have a different vowel sounds to the other 3. So your task will be to find that exception, find that different sounding word in the group. Now I will do the first example for you, and the rest of it you can do by yourself. So look at this group. Sheep, cheap, chips, easy. Now sheep, cheap, and easy have a long E sound, but in chips you have a short I sound. So chips here is the exception. Number 1, throw, dough, tough, though. Number 2, come, born, love, fun. Number 3, foot, moo, clue, true. Number 4, have, cat, late, mad. Number 5, made, cake, set, fate. If this video has been useful to you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to make sure you don't miss anything. Have a great day, be kind to each other, and see you next Saturday. Bye!